They're gonna win that one. So it won't spark, right? You said?
I can't get it. I cannot get it to turn on.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Do you have mice here?
I haven't seen none in a while.
Really? Because it looks like something's been burrowing into the insulation.
Yeah.
And if it breaks that stuff up, it'll suck it in on the bottom and block the screen. And I can't get to that screen because this water heater is dropped in. But there's a like a filter, you know, like a real fine filter, and if dust and stuff gets in there, it'll block it out. It's just what I noticed, because I thought it was dust, but I realized it's insulation, and I know mice like to burrow inside there. Yeah, I think you're still under warranty.
No, I checked and it said this one does not qualify.
Oh, for what, a recall?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still under warranty though, because it's a 2020. So you get 6 years. So I don't know if you could, you know, if you keep running into problems with it, rather than buying another one, right? You could take it back. Or was it in here when you bought the place?
Yeah, it was in here when we bought the house.
You'd have to call A.O.Smith then and find out. It's a signature. It's probably Lowe's. Yeah, you got mice though for sure. I can see the little mice droppings and stuff over here.
I have to start letting the cat back in, huh?
Yeah, you gotta get that cat in here. Get some kittens.
You know, the cat just randomly show up one day.
Uh-huh.
And he just sleeps in the porch.
Oh, not even your cat?
No.
Oh, yeah. That's their job, getting mice. Let's see if we can... Good. Yeah, you might want to think about trying to move this water heater outside.
Yeah.
You got to, you know, you pour a little concrete pad for it, and then just run cold water to it. Of course, cap it off over on this side, and then you just tie back into the hot. And run the ducting and all that, but I think you'd gain a closet in here, which is nice.
Yeah, I think this is probably the last time I'm ever going to get to the middle.
Yeah.
And when it dries out, I think I'm gonna have to set it outside. Everything's running under the house anyway.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Well, that makes it a little bit easier. Because then when I come out and work on it, it's purely selfish reasons that I want you to move your water heater outside.
And then the bathroom, we made it ourselves, and I never realized that I was gonna have issues taking out that water heater.
Oh, this didn't used to be a bathroom?
No.
Oh, yeah. No, I mean, you don't expect to have problems with a water heater, but it's pretty much ordained, you know, it's gonna happen. This is what I remember. I don't know what's going on. I grabbed the wrong glasses. I'm going blind here. I'll be right back. I think the pilot tube was blocked. I'm hoping. There we go. Okay, good. Yeah, that was it. Where's the flame at? So, what happens is like a tiny piece of sediment in the gas line. You turn the gas off to the house recently?
No.
Oh, okay. That almost always does it. You shut the gas off to the house and you can't get the water heater relit. Why isn't it coming up though? That should be coming up. Oh no, I hear it. I don't know. I still don't. Oh, come on, baby. You gotta release. Okay. So a tiny piece of sediment will break off in the gas line, or come loose or something. It's like the size of a grain of sand, right? It's super small, and then bounces down the piping, gets into the valve, and then once it's inside the valve, it'll go one of two ways. And it went inside the pilot tube, and inside that tiny little tube, it gets narrower and narrower, and then it's like the head of a needle at the end as it reduces that gas flow, and it clogs it. Alright? So I couldn't see spark, but I just assumed the spark was working because it was a real good igniter. So I undid the pilot tube and tried to blow into it, and couldn't get anything to push through it, right? It's like blowing into a straw, nothing. So I just kind of draw a little bit of air into that. So that's kind of common. Oh, it just shut off though. What's it shutting off for? What's going on with that? think we got it. Thermopile voltage came up with the burner running up to about 650. Was hovering around 430. I kind of got it past that stage with the simulated voltage. And now it should be at about 650, which is kind of what the valve wants.